Harvey. I wanted to show you how to wrap SQL in quotes for C#. So if you have a real long SQL query, how to wrap that easily, automatically in quotes for C#. So you start out by going to GitHub for Ideal Automate, download that zip, and extract all the files in the zip, and then you navigate to Ideal Automate Explorer, the bin folder, and run the executable, and it opens up the File Explorer like this, something similar to File Explorer. Okay, and then you go down to the bottom of the folder that you extracted everything into, and you'll see this WPF C# application that I wrote to automate this wrapping of SQL in quotes. So right click on that and run, and it says put your SQL in Notepad file, and so this is a very complicated SQL statement to allows you to find a string in any column in any database. So pretty complicated, but if I want to put it in a C# program, I have to surround everything with quotes. So it says save it after you've put your SQL in there, and click OK. And here's the result. It's gone through every line and wrapped it in quotes, so you can easily just cut and paste and put it into your command line text, SQL command text. Thanks.